Folks, welcome back. It's Cooking with Kevin. So, we kind of had a dinner party last night. We had some friends over. We had spaghetti. It was really great. But guess what? We have leftovers. Yep. So, we're kind of getting a little bit of Kelly's loving leftovers with Cooking with Kevin. We are going to turn this spaghetti into, yep, we got some baked beans. We got 6-bean blend and chili powder. So we're going to do that, make that chili. What are we making? We are kind of doing a chili pot pie. So we got some crescent rolls here. We got some cheese. We are going to get this chili cooking. We're going to bring you back when it's time to assemble that pot pie. Kind of show you how to put it together. This is kind of a spin-off of a recipe that Kelly found that unfortunately we really can't do it with the spaghetti sauce, but maybe something that we'll do in the future. What was it called? It's a taco.
It looked like
a taco ring. Anyway.
Taco ring. Yeah.
Yeah. But unfortunately, the sauce would be too thick or not
too thin.
thick enough, too thin, and we just run it. So. Yeah, we're doing a chili pot pie. So, once the chili's all cooked up and we're ready to assemble it, we'll bring you back. Okay, we're back. Chili's done. We're gonna fill our bowl up. We've already, dear.
I had to teach him. I had to teach him. I had to teach him how to do that crust on the bottom.
You just come in here and go, oh, I'll pre-do it for you. You didn't teach me nothing.
Yes,
I could have figured that out myself. So
yeah, I taught him.
You know what? Zip it.
I taught him.
My show, your channel.
I taught him. Hey, I get the last word.
So we fill the bowl up with our chili.
Right, Brody? Mommy always gets the last word. And why are you using my big canning pot?
Because I chose to use it because when you're cooking chili and stuff, it splashes all over the place.
So he chose to use my great big huge pot.
Yeah, because it makes less of a mess. Yeah. So I guess that's full enough.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, I just kicked you guys.
Okay.
Now let's watch him play with the dough again.
My wife's trying to be funny, but she's not.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
You?
Sure I am.
Nope, because if you were funny, you would be funny.
I'm funny. Make the edge crust nice and pretty. Oh, now you need to wash your hands before you touch that again.
I don't. We're eating it, not anybody else.
I don't want your cooties.
You got my cooties already.
Brody, do we got Daddy's cooties? Yeah, I'll get Daddy's cooties. He's gonna play with the dough. We often make chili with our leftover spaghetti sauce, but I wanted to do something different, so. Right, Brody? Pretty yummy, huh? Not that you would be able to try it, but that's okay. Alright, let's see what Daddy does. I think Daddy's thinking he was playing with Play-Doh. Is Daddy just a big kid, Brody? You want to see what Daddy's doing? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Say hi to everybody. Say hi.
Okay.
What is Daddy doing?
That's it, and then he will.
Just bake that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, just bake that one down. Alright. You roll it the other way. Big end to small end. Jeepers creepers, we gotta teach Daddy everything, don't we? Alright.
Okay. We are gonna put this on here.
Yeah.
Because I will guarantee you it will.
And what did you preheat the oven to? You can put that on there, it's fine.
Yeah, 375.
And how long does it cook for?
15 to 20 minutes.
Alright.
I don't know. I ripped all the instructions up.
We'll bring you back when it's done. No.
Alright. So we're all done. Well, not all done. It was in for 19 minutes. Now we're just going to add some cheese on top.
That's looking mighty yummy.
Okay.
Yum.
And we're just going to put that back in the oven.
Just long enough to cook the cheese a little bit.
You know, I've been thinking. Maybe that one viewer was kind of right. Maybe you should just butt out, mind your own business.
It was a troll. It wasn't a viewer.
Okay. When that's done, we'll bring you back. All right. It's out of the oven. It's ready. It's done.
Yeah. Probably won't even get down to the bottom layer.
Well, I just...
That's all right.
Well, I don't think... Okay. So...
That's all right.
I'm going to have a your husband's right moment, so...
The bottom layer didn't cook proper?
Yeah, it wouldn't.
Oh, well. That's all right. We'll just do the top. It's probably because it was so thick. But that's all right.
Because it never does when you have this much liquid in it.
This much, yeah, exactly.
Like
because it was too thick.
No, not. No, every time I've ever cooked with it. Anyways, I'm not going to get into it with you. It's my show.
Yeah.
Anyways.
That's all right.
That's it. Yummy.
Take a bite.
I don't want to.
Next time we'll cook the bottom and then put the stuff in it. Yummy?
Yummy.
All right.
Okay. So that's it. It was chili pot pie. Very yummy. Anyway, we'll see you next week.